MCC Just Motos. Morning guys, Andy from MCC Just Motos. I got my 2023 Maverick right here. Inside an XL, but I got XLT wheels. So I'm gonna go install those XLT wheels. We're gonna see the before and after. Let me know what you think. Let's go check into it. First thing I wanna do is figure out how much these wheels weigh, and then I'm gonna weigh these ones, see if there's any difference. I did pick them up, they're pretty light. I'm gonna guess they're 15 pounds, maybe 12 pounds. We'll figure it out. Let's go weigh them. All right, so here are the wheels. I bought them off Craigslist. I'll tell you that story in a sec. All right, so this is what they look like. I do have the different center caps for it, for the Maverick, which just says Ford. These were from Bronco Sport. We'll have to do public math here in a bit. I'm gonna get two weights on there. You can take a look. What it says 229, we'll just call it 229. Let me try one more time just to make it valid. $229 is good, close enough. Okay, and then let's get with the after without the wheel. All right, this is my weight. Hello. Okay, say 206.8, 207, just to make it easy. Let me do my public math. 229 minus 207 would be 22 pounds. 22 pounds. All right, so the wheels weigh 22 pounds, right in there what I thought, 20 to 25 pounds. 22 pounds are what they weigh. When I take the old ones off, I'll see what the steel wheels weigh. I'm gonna guess about the same. There's my truck on the ramp getting the tires done. I make YouTube videos, so oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna go on. There it is, driving out. Yeah, it does look a lot nicer.
Yeah, so we just got started on it now.
Cool.
And they started to look over the vehicle now.
All right, guys, and there is the Maverick XL with the XLT wheels. I think these came from a Bronco Sport. Yeah, I think they did good. I think it looks really, really good. And I got to tell you, just driving here, it drives so. The wheels feel a lot lighter. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna weigh them right now. I think the old steel wheels weigh more. I think they take bumps better, and I think it's a little more agile in the quickness of the handling. We'll see if I'm wrong. Let me weigh it. Let me know if you like the before and after of the wheels. Which ones do you like better? Do you think the Maverick XLT or the Bronco Sport wheels look better on the Maverick? Okay, so I'm gonna go weigh the steel wheel. I'm pretty sure it's about 5 to 10 pounds heavier. I think I'm absolutely right. Let's see. Okay. Weight is, I can tell you right now, 230, we'll call it 236. Okay? And let's see what I weigh without. Okay, 236 minus 211. That would be 25? 36 minus 11 would be 25. Okay, so about 3 pounds difference. I thought it would be more, but it is a little bit different. I think I can feel it when driving. A little less unsprung weight. Again, please like and subscribe for more Maverick content. We'll catch you in the next episode, and thanks for watching.